Magic Sorter for BigCommerce is a product merchandising tool that allows you to place products exactly where you want them to be on your category pages. This video will give an overview of how to use the app. First, let's take a look at the dashboard. From here, you can see a list of the categories that are currently set up to be sorted by Magic Sorter. You can also select your daily auto sort time. This is the time when Magic Sorter will automatically update all categories set to be sorted by the app. To sort products on a category page, from the dashboard, click on Sort Products. From here, you can search for a category by category, ID, name, path, or URL. Simply type in the search box to bring up a category. In this example, let's sort the page for men's t-shirts. We're going to sort items on the page manually, using drag and drop, which is the custom sort method. You can choose to have the category update daily at the automatic sort time set in the dashboard. You can choose to have new items added to the top of the category page or at the bottom. Additionally, you can choose to have out-of-stock items move to the bottom of the page daily and return to their original position when back in stock. The quick sort helpers are only used to help you sort items on the page and are not used for any type of actual sorting. Begin positioning items by simply dragging and dropping them to where you want them on the page, and when finished, be sure to click Save. The display options allow you to choose the page layout in the app only, not on the live store. Choose the number of columns and whether to show out-of-stock or hidden items. Now let's take a look at the second way to sort products. From the dashboard, click on Sort Products. Once again, we'll use our t-shirt category and change it from our previous set custom sort to a new property sort. A property sort will sort items by specific properties, such as alphabetically A to Z, price high to low, etc. Simply select the sort option from the drop-down and select Save. The category page will automatically be sorted daily at the specified daily sort time. This next step is important. You now need to tell BigCommerce that Magic Sorter is sorting your category page. Go to Products, then Categories, and select the category you just sorted with Magic Sorter. From the default Product Sort drop-down, select Featured Items, and then save the category. If this is not set, your Magic Sorter sort will not show on your live store. Now that you've seen how Magic Sorter can be used to merchandise products in your store, go ahead and start putting it to use. Have featured products you want to make sure customers see first? Move them to the top of the category page. Overstocked on items and need to move them quickly? Move them to the top of your sale page to increase visibility. However you use Magic Sorter, we're here to help. Simply reach out to us at support@yourstorewizards.com or visit our support site for complete product documentation at support.yourstorewizards.com.